Welcome to Everything Money. In this video, we will analyze FuelCell Energy. We will take a look at the financials and fundamentals using our Everything Money software. We'll walk you through it, and we will show you what you should be paying for this company using our stock analyzer tool. If you're looking to trade FuelCell at a quicker pace, and Mo, I know people like this, you can trade with Mo using those charts and trading charts. We'll show you that at the end of the video. But first, why should you listen to us? I bring your normal person questions to a couple wealthy fellows who maintain over $100 million in real estate, stocks, and businesses, 8 or 9 businesses. Very, very qualified to tell you the mindset of investing, and we will show you all of this moving forward. I present to you Paul Gabriel.
Thank you very much, Seth. Guys, first off, follow us on Instagram. We have a new Everything Money account, and then follow us personally so that we don't feel left out. Okay, guys, so here's our Everything Money software. I'm going to go to the 8 pillars section. I'm going to type in fuel cell technologies.
This is right up my alley, Paul. Yeah, because they take chemical energy, convert it into electricity. Very promising with the EV market.
Isn't that what happened to us when we first saw each other again?
Chemical, yes. Well, I was drunk, and then our energy. Yeah, no. I do love you, but there's been a lot of hype surrounding this company, Paul. Obviously, Mo, we see some of these huge spikes, and it's a little scary.
This?
What do you got?
February 9th, it was $28. Now it's $9.
Uh-oh. Boy.
Sounds like somebody's having a case of the Mondays. Any idea what movie that's from, Mo?
Nope. Paul.
We literally just did 2 quotes from the exact same movie.
It's the second time we've talked about this movie this morning. Keep going. Keep going,
okay.
Paul. FuelCell.
So guys, this is a $3 billion company. I encourage you to go research what other $3 billion companies exist and how their financials compare, okay? Everything here is going to be pretty bad. Income statement. Oh, what? I'm sorry. They have a lot of data.
Go on.
So first things first. 5-year PE. We want it less than 22.5. This NA means they haven't made money over the last 5 years in total. That's an X. Next thing we want their 5-year return on invested capital to be greater than 9%. It's negative. What does that mean? In the last 5 years, they've made no free cash flow, and it's proven right here. Their average, they've lost an average of $43 million in free cash flow in the last 5 years. Last year, they lost $76 million. Guys, so far, I can already tell you I'm ignoring this company, but we're going to go through the process to show you our process in general. Income statement. Revenue growth. Oh my gosh. 120, 168, 181, 166, 135, 72, 119, 67, 65, 72.
Paul, in 2019, did you make more money than FuelCell? That's a real question.
Well, in profit, absolutely. Because look, in 2019, they lost $56 million.
Well, okay.
You made more money than FuelCell.
Popsicle stand.
Xavier made more money.
Yes.
Xavier made more money, and he was in a coma in 2019.
Too soon, Paul?
Too soon. By the way, he wasn't.
Were you in a coma?
No, he was not in a coma.
Okay.
I was going to say epic recovery.
Yeah. So guys, look at our software right here. I'm just going to skip to the 8 pillars tab. It's going to show you everything here. Guys, there's only one thing. It's only up 400,000 in revenue in the last 5 years, and it's barely up. I mean, it should be an all X's thing. This is just bad. Now, it doesn't mean you don't buy it. I own Carnival Cruise Line. I think it's all 8 X's. And this software right here skips all the steps for you. But guys, this is a company, they're the profit. Oh, look at their shares outstanding. 12,000%. I mean, that's pretty legit.
Is that true?
Well, let's look. Let's go to their income statement.
You know, I love going back in time and watching looking at all the YouTubers saying how great this is going to be every time.
Oh, wait, is this that one that was like $3,000 a share back in the day?
No way.
No. That
7,400.
What? Be careful now, because if they tell me this, if they do a split,
they issued so many shares.
If they do a split, Paul, does it modify these numbers?
Yes, it does.
Okay, keep going.
So this would probably be a reverse split, and they issued a ton of shares too. They had 1 million shares outstanding 10 years ago. So guys, don't even worry about that. Just look at the rest of it. Free cash flow over the last 10 years. Negative, positive, negative. Guys, if your neighbor was selling you their business and these were the financials, how long before you either stopped laughing or put a bullet in their head for insulting you by saying, buy my company?
Then why are YouTubers telling people to buy this, Paul?
Because YouTubers are stupid. And we're on YouTube. And the good thing about us is we all have personalities and we're smart.
I see. That's how we win.
That guy right there has a PhD.
In chemistry, of all things.
In chemistry.
It doesn't qualify me to buy fuel.
I don't know what it qualifies for anything. But the point is, guys, this makes zero sense to me.
I agree.
This makes sense. If this doesn't make any sense to you, subscribe to us, follow us. This software right here is available to you. You can do all the work. Look at a company like Microsoft. Look at all the data you'll get. The 8 Pillars tab, it'll tell you all the news, all the cash flow, and the best part is all the software is available to you on your mobile phone. You can do this all while you're sitting in the bus, you're sitting with your kids, stupid soccer game, while you're telling your rat kid, hey, nice goal, when all they do is run in circles. All these things can be done. Guys, it's only 90 cents per day. 90 cents per day. If you just use the software to increase your returns by 1 or 2% a year, you'll make hundreds of thousands, if not millions more in retirement. 90 cents a day. You also get exclusive daily content from us. We post 2 or 3 videos a day that are exclusive only to our subscribers. You get access to all 3 of us, and you get access to 6,000 other people in our community. If you're on an island and you believe the things I'm saying, but you have nobody to talk to you about it, join us for 90 cents a day. You can talk to 6,000 other people who all agree with us and some who don't agree with us, and talk about your investment ideas. I guarantee out of 6,000 people, somebody in our group believes in FuelCell. I just don't, because I base it on my numbers. Now, with that said, Mo over there, oh, by the way, 2 ways to sign up. everythingmoney.com or Patreon. The benefit of everythingmoney.com is you don't get charged a double charge the first month, and you don't pay sales tax yet because we're not big enough. Sign up either way, you get access within minutes. Everything's available for you. This is a no-brainer, guys. If you're serious about your financial future, sign up.
As Paul was saying, if you want to trade this at a quicker pace, you can follow the trends in the charts, and Mo will guide you through this if you join the Bidnest Nation, that top tier in our exclusive community. Mo, what's going on with FuelCell? Oh, look at that. I see it.
So right now with FuelCell, we're actually invested in this. And the reason was we were getting a great influx of volume, coming through the sweet spot perfectly, making 2 engulfing candlesticks in a row, and this is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to pull back a little bit today because I wanted to create this little W formation and then go up and take profits going into the 200-day moving average.
You're currently trading this right now?
Yes, this is one of the trades that I'm doing right now, and I'm hoping to run it right in here into the 200-day moving average, take profits, and if it keeps going, then I'm going to add right back on and just keep running this thing up as high as it can go. So this is exactly what it is. If you want to join, I post all my trades in the Bidnest Nation in the Discord chat. So if you're interested in that, come and join me. Learn how to do it with me.
This is not secret or magic, folks. I mean, Mo has a set of rules you can follow right along, and he'll follow the rules himself in terms of buying and trading, right, Mo? This is not like magic potion, some secret private group.
It's just following the same rules and doing the same thing over and over and over.
The hard part is following the rules, because you'll all of a sudden get to a point where you go, you know what?
I got a hunch here. I got a hunch.
Yeah, I got a hunch here. The second you bring your emotion into it, you are going to make less money.
And guys, today, for example, this is down today.
Yeah, that candlestick, that red one scares me.
But I want it to be down because this is the thing I want to create. I don't want to see this.
Ah, right.
Because this always turns into this.
Yes.
I want to see this. So these pullbacks are very welcome because they're creating a new support level. So the next time that stock drops to that price, there's a high probability that it's not going to drop below that. It's going to go back up because it's going to see volume coming in at that support level. So,
final take on a frothy company like FuelCell, Paul.
I mean, I always say I want to see companies with more track record. This track record was worse. I was like, this is worse than just having no track record. So I'm avoiding FuelCell, guys. The way I look at all my investments is if I had 100 of these companies to buy in different industries with these numbers, would I buy it? Absolutely
Hell
not.
No.
I'm out.
I'm out.
And for that reason, I'm out.
I love how you just said that. I love that.
Yeah, that's a great one.
That's a take on FuelCell. We will update you if it gets any better. They got a lot of work to do, so stay tuned. But watch all of our videos, over 1,000 of them, and join Mo in the morning every day at 9 a.m. to talk all that sass. I'll see you next video. Fondle thumbs up on the way out.